Pulling up with the slap. Waking up the block. Speakers about to pop.
All right, we're over here slapping some 12s in Anthony's ride. Took the 24s out for a minute while we get it painted. Joseph came over here real quick. He's got a couple 12s in his ride, but want to show him what the 12s in this ride sounds like. All right, well, hop on in here, man. Let's take a listen to these Pride 12s, 2 Rockford amps. Okay, so what you're looking at right there, 2 12-inch woofers. There's one of those amps right there. One's a T2500, the other one's a T2500. There's one on each 12, and then the 600.2 is on the mids and highs. It's under construction still.
Look, I was asleep. I ain't know shit was that deep. They bumping my shit from this way, till I guess we lurk through the street in the cheap. I rarely be broke niggas knowing deep. Handle my business and made away clean, nigga.
Think that any good for 2 12s or what?
I can't believe that's 2 fucking 12s, man.
I'm telling you, me either. I built that box and I can't believe it's 2 12s. Yeah. Hop out. You want to see what it looks like or what?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the type of stuff we do over here. It's under construction still because we're still trying to figure out what we're doing for him, but this box is finished.
Fuck, bro.
2 12s. 2 12s, man. Pride Audio. Not that many people have heard this in person because we built it. He rides around with it, but he don't show it off very often. But yeah.
It's fucking badass.
All right, so this thing is out. We're gonna get this Skeletor box painted up, make it look super pretty, do all the loose ends that I've been talking about doing since I built it. And then either I'm gonna sell it or we're gonna put it back inside of his Yukon. The only reason that it's not in the Yukon right now permanently is because, well, it's not finished, and also because we're gonna have to build him a new amp rack if we plan on making it stay. There's not very much room for his original amp rack and this box. It's kind of stuffed in there. So we'll decide what we're gonna do when it's all done.
Bro,
So check back.
12s sound like fucking 18s, man.
That's what I've been telling people, man.
My ears are still ringing.
Pride Audio. Good shit.